Jake, let me ask you a question. Why do you keep sniffing your fingers?
It's a habit.
What are you actually sniffing though?
Bro, I don't know.
I don't believe you.
Why do you care so much?
We've been stuck in here for the past 5 days waiting on this parcel. And in that time span, I've seen you sniff your fingers almost as much as you blink.
I think it's more concerning that you count how many times I blink.
Well, if I started slapping the back of my neck randomly over the past 5 days, wouldn't you find that a bit odd?
Nah, not really, no.
Is it us?
What?
On your fingers? Is it us? Your bum crack? Are you sniffing your own bum on your fingers after you have a little scratch or what? Just tell me, because we had sandwiches today and your hands were all over the meat, so I need to know if I ate your ass.
That's really fucking disgusting, mate.
I'm serious.
I wouldn't scratch my own ass and robbing anyone's food, especially my own.
Then what is it then?
I mean, sometimes I scratch my balls, but that's about it.
No, wait. Wait, because I might be a bit crazy, but did you just say that you scratch your balls?
Yeah, all guys do. So essentially, you just lick my testicles.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Remember when you ate my pizza last week? The one that I was saving for the next day?
So, you poisoned me because I ate your pizza. You need to grow up, you know?
You grow up, it's not poison.